Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hub. Today I have from Lang Yarns the Merino 120 and I'm going to be using this to show you today's project. I'm going to show you a nice pattern that you can do all by yourself. So let's get right to it. Okay, so I call this pattern the Tulip C. So you need a number divisible or a multiple of 9, divisible by 9. So if you want 3 different flowers, so we did 9, 18, 27, and then I have 2 more for the edges, so we have 29 total. So 9, multiple of 9 plus the 2 for the edges. So I did the first 16 rows that you see on here, so that's the 16 rows, and you just keep repeating these, so I'm gonna show you from this point on how you can do your own. So first we transfer the edge stitch onto our working needle, then we do a knit stitch, and then we do 2 knit stitches done together as one. Yarn over and again 2 together knitwise. Yarn over, 1 knit stitch, regular one, then a yarn over, and now I'm gonna do 1 pulled over, so I transfer the one to the working needle and then I do the next one and pull the first one over it. Then 1 knit stitch, and we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 stitches total. So after the edge stitch that we don't count. And yeah, now we can repeat the next 2. So we do 1 knit stitch, 2 done together, yarn over, and then 2 done together again. Yarn over, and you do just 1 knit stitch, yarn over, 1 pulled over. There we go, and 1 more knit stitch. And now we're going to repeat that one more time. 1 knit stitch, 2 done together, yarn over, 2 knit stitches done together, yarn over, 1 knit stitch, yarn over, and 1 pulled over. I speak faster than I work, let me just get there. And 1 knit stitch, and then the edge stitch as well. There we go. In the back row, I'm going to do all of the stitches purlwise, including the edge stitch. So every odd row is going to be, every even row is going to be the back row, and you're going to do that in just purl stitches. Super easy. And now we do the 3rd row. So let's start. We're going to do 1 knit stitch here for the edge stitch, then 2 knit stitches done together, yarn over, 1 knit stitch, and again a yarn over. And now we do 3 stitches with 1 pulled over. So I'm going to do 2 together like this, and then the next one I'm going to do knitwise, and then I'm going to pull the 2 I just did over that one. Then we continue with the 1 knit stitch, yarn over, and another knit stitch. And I have again 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9 stitches total. And now we can repeat this 2 more times. 2 stitches done together, 1 yarn over, knit stitch, yarn over, 3 stitches pulled over. The last one is a knit stitch, and then pull the 2 over that one, yarn over, knit stitch, yarn over, and there we go, knit stitch. Now we're going to repeat for the 3rd time, 2 knit stitches then yarn over, 1 knit stitch, yarn over, 3 done together, yarn over, knit stitch, yarn over, and 2 done together. And we end with an edge stitch that we do knitwise. And now you already know what to do, so we do the back row purlwise. So I finished the back row, and just to make it quicker, I'm continuing with you from our 5th row. So let's do the edge stitch, and then we're going to do 1 knit stitch, yarn over, 2 done together knitwise, and 3 knit stitches. 3, there we go, then 1 pulled over, yarn over, and 1 knit stitch. So I have again 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9, and now we're going to repeat that. So 1 knit stitch first, and then yarn over, 2 done together, followed by 3 regular knit stitches. Then 1 pulled over, yarn over, and 1 knit stitch to end. And then we're going to repeat that for the 3rd and last time. Knit stitch, yarn over, 2 done together, 3 knit stitches, 1 fold over, yarn over, 1 knit stitch, and we finish with the edge stitch also done knitwise. So let's do the back row again in purl stitches. Our row number 7, we're going to do the exact same way as the 5th one. So edge stitch, and then 1 knit stitch, yarn over, 2 stitches done together, 3 regular knit stitches, then 1 fold over, there we go, yarn over and knit stitch, and then we repeat. 1 knit stitch, yarn over, 2 done together, 3 knit stitches, 1 pulled over, yarn over, and knit stitch to finish. One knit stitch, yarn over, 2 done together, 3 stitches, 3 knit stitches, 1 pulled over, yarn over, 1 knit stitch, and the edge stitch. And then we have the 7th row finished, and the 8th row is again a back row, so we're going to do it with purl stitches. And row number 9 is again the exact same thing as rows 5 and 7. So we do the edge stitch, 1 knit stitch, yarn over, 2 done together, 3 knit stitches, 1 pulled over, and 1 knit stitch. And then again, 1 knit stitch, 1 yarn over, 2 stitches done together, 3 knit stitches, 1 pulled over, yarn over, and a knit stitch. And again, 1 knit stitch, yarn over, 2 done together, 3 knit stitches, 1 pulled over, yarn over, 1 knit stitch, and the edge stitch. There we go. And then the back row is again just purl stitches, and I'll be back after I finish that. Okay, row 11, let's start with an edge stitch, 2 knit stitches, there we go, 2, and then yarn over, 1 pulled over, knit stitch, and 2 knit stitches done together, I'm missing yarn over here. me just fix this. Okay, so yarn over and 2 stitches done together. There we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9 again, and then we can repeat. 2 knit stitches, yarn over, 1 fold over, 1 knit stitch, 2 done together, yarn over and 2 knit stitches. And I'll repeat again. Last time, 1 knit stitch, yarn over, 1 fold over, 1 knit stitch, 2 done together knitwise, yarn over, 2 knit stitches, and then we have just the edge stitch left. Row 11 is done, and now again the purlwise back row. Row 13, we have the edge stitch, 3 knit stitches, and 3, then 1 fold over, and then the following 3 we're going to do together as one. So we're going to do the 2 together, the next one knitwise, and then the 2 we're going to pull over that. Yarn over and 3 knit stitches. I have again 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. That's it. And now we continue, or we repeat that 2 more times. 3 knit stitches, 1 yarn over, 2 done together. Yarn over, 3 knit stitches. And I'll repeat. 3 knit stitches, yarn over, 2 done together, then a yarn over and 3 knit stitches, and you're going to have the edge stitch here as well. And this was row 13. I'll do row 14 in purl stitches and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm at the 15th row and the last one, and it's the same as the last one, so the 13th. So we're doing the edge stitch and then 3 knit stitches, yarn over, 3 stitches done together, 2 stitches done together, and then yarn over and 3 knit stitches. And then we repeat 3 stitches knitwise, then yarn over, and then 2 together, yarn over, and 3 knit stitches. And I'll repeat 3 knit stitches, yarn over, 2 done together, yarn over, 3 knit stitches, and the edge stitch. And this was row 15, the exact same thing as row 13. I'll do row 16 in purl stitches, and from this point on you can actually do everything on your own. So the first one is just like the 16th, and then I repeat it here on top one more time. And this is pretty much all there is to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye!